Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn text into Impressionist art in Canva. To start, don't forget to sign in with your account, and then don't forget, if you don't have Canva, you can download for free from official website of Canva. To start, you can click apps, click AI powered. Now you can scroll down, then try to find Impressionist art. Turn text into stunning Impressionist art. So you can transform text into Impressionist art masterpieces. Elevate your creativity with this Impressionist art by converting text descriptions into stunning Impressionist art pieces. Click use in your design. And here we go. You can try an example, or you can try your own prompt and generate. Please wait, this may take a few seconds. Here we go, a journey to the desert. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.